Hello students. This is Miss Pestorius and I am here to give you an online lesson. I'm posting a video this week so I can give you all the little descriptions that we need for this project. And if you have any questions, you can come and ask me. I miss you guys a lot, but that's just more of the opportunity to get started. So this week what I want us to do is to make a symmetrical facade. What is this? Well, I think you all know what symmetry is because pretty sure we've been over that. But if you don't, symmetry is something that it's the same on both sides. So if I was to divide this paper here that I have on my board in half, this side and this side would be exactly the same. Okay? So a facade is the front of the building, the front of a building. So in essence, what I would like you to do is I want you to draw a building that is the same on both sides. Now this can be a house, it can be a haunted house, it could be a state building, it could be a library, it could be a coffee shop, it could be a whole number of things. It should have a floor underneath it, a ground, if you will. So I'm going to take my Sharpie and take my ruler here. Yeah, that should be fine. I'm going to draw the ground under it. Okay? So there's my ground. And then I'm going to start drawing the building. Now, if my ground, I want to add some details from the start, maybe I'm getting ahead of myself, maybe I'm not, I'm going to add some grass here. So, with my adding of the grass, I want to tell you guys that if you can color this in, I would like you to do so. If you do not have materials to color it in, that is okay. But if you do, you better get to using them. Okay? So, now I'm going to see if I can use this pen actually, and if it'll show up. I've been using the Sharpie because it'll show up really nicely in the video. But let's just see, okay? So I've got my ruler here. Okay. And I'm going to use this pen, and I think show up? Yeah. Well, sort of. Maybe I'll use the Sharpie. Got two lines here. This is going to be the first part of my building, I think. And I've decided, based on my own suggestion, that I'm going to be making a coffee shop. Okay? So it's gonna be real fancy though. And it's gonna have maybe a sign that goes across the front here. You guys see? Oh my. There we go. I'm drawing it with my ruler. Maybe I'm doing little details without the ruler. Again, if you don't have a ruler, you don't have to use it, but it will make it look a little bit better in the end. So I'm going to add little, like, nails or whatever that's keeping this together. And because it's symmetrical, I think I'll add, like, a little coffee cup here, little wonky coffee cup, and then I'll add a little coffee cup on the other side. Yeah. Right here. And then we've got symmetrical coffee cups, right? Let's see if I can get a little closer. There we go. Okay? And then I'm going to draw some side buildings. So I think I want this building on the side to be tilted down a little bit. I'm looking where I've tilted down right here. So it's right in the middle of our sign. Let's hope that one is about the same angle going down. Not bad. Okay. Okay. And then I'm going to do little trim on either side. cute little thing. And then maybe we'll have 2 chimneys, something crazy like that, and doors and windows. And I'm thinking that I'm going to color this like a brick building. See, I would add bricks right now, but I don't want to make this video too long. Okay. See, that one's, it's okay. This side's a little closer, whatever. So there are my doors. I was going to have 2 doors on either side because it's symmetrical. I want to throw some windows in there. Maybe I'll put a window right here, like a tilted window, to go with sort of the look of my very trendy coffee shop that I'm making right now. Very trendy. Maybe we'll have some window baskets. And then I'll do mine on the other side. Here. I know it's hard to see, sorry. No, this one goes a little higher. Maybe I'll go over here. That's there, sort of. Got my window basket over here. And I'm continuing on. I don't want to make this video too long. I just want to show you what I'm doing. And earlier this week, I told you that I would like you to have a sketchbook. And just a reminder, if you already have a sketchbook at home, if you already made one, if you've already bought one, you don't need to make a new one for this class. Okay? But you can draw this in your sketchbook. And it can be in color if you have color, and not color if you don't have color. And then I want you to send me a picture over Google Classroom, okay? I can create an assignment and make it have the picture. I'll also post the final picture of this because I'm going to color it in, add a couple more details. But yeah, that's your assignment this week. I want it back next Friday, so this should be done by next Friday. I look forward to seeing all your drawings. Bye-bye, guys.